students, this is Bala from English Today channel. Today I am going to teach you certain abbreviations which are very useful in texting, chatting your messages. Now I understand that people are bored sitting at home and they have only one instrument with them, that is either cell phone or computer, where they can type the messages, chat with their friends. So they want quick messages to pass on. So suppose you wanted to make faster or quicker messages, you have to use certain abbreviations. That means you will not type the whole word, but you can shorten it to make it understandable to your friends. Okay? Hope this topic will be very interesting, especially to the younger generation. Okay, now let's go. Now abbreviation for texting with numbers. What sort of words you can frame using numbers? Short messages, how you can abbreviate the words. Okay, now see, with the number 2, 2B. So TO2. Even TOO2 also is used for this too. Okay, now see, to be, today, today, tomorrow, tomorrow also you have shortened, MORO, tomorrow, tonight, NIT, night, understood, tonight, F2F, what does it mean, F2F, face to face, face to face, okay, G2CU, G2CU, G stands for good, good to see you, good to see you, see you, okay, see you. So abbreviated form, just you are writing the letter C and then U. Okay, now suppose you can if you use letter 4, forget, for you are pronouncing as for. So forget, before, this stands for before, forget, before, got it? Okay. Now with number 8, let's see. CUL 8R. CUL 8R. Okay. Now what does this stand for? CU. Already we have got it. We understood. CU stands for CU. So CU 8. 8R. CUL stands for later. Later. Okay, got it? So see you later. See you later. See you later. Is 8 later. L stands for late. 8 later. Okay. Now M8 stands for mate. 8 is 8 mate. So mate is classmate. Okay. And British language, it is, you can even say soulmate, classmate. You understand? So mate. Now W8, wait, you wait there, okay, wait, so see you later, mate and wait. Now with the letters, how you can abbreviate or shorten the words. Because, most of you know this, I think, CO is cause, because. B-day stand for birthday. Befriend, either you can have the meaning as best friend or boyfriend. Okay, befriend. My befriend, that means boyfriend or best friend. Now CU with the letter C, already I explained. CU is CU. CD means good. Instead of typing good, you can just put CD. Understood? Okay, we'll see some more. Okay, the next letter is D. DU stands for do you. Instead of writing the whole word do you can just message or text DU. Okay. Now DIY. What does it mean? DIY. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. That means most of you must be making your own creative arts. Okay. So you will buy the material for making toys or household items. So that's called DIY, that is do it yourself. Even some shops are available with the name DIY. So they will give you all the material, and instead of purchasing the ready-made item, you can prepare it by yourself. Do it yourself. Okay, got it. Next, EZ. EZ. Z. Z is Britishers' pronunciation, but Americans pronounce it as Z. Z. Okay. So that's how we write EZ is for easy. 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 Suppose you wanted to write the word easy, you can just put EZ. Okay. Next, ENUF. It's very simple to guess. Enough. Enough. Okay. And now we'll go with the letter G. G. G, generally if you just put G, it stands for good. Okay. G night, good night. GF, girlfriend. Now BF, we have seen for boyfriend or the best friend. Now GF is for girlfriend. GD, good night. Again, I think the word is GD you can write for good night. G night also you can put it for good night. Okay, Q. Q, you know, if you just type the letter Q, it stands for queuing. You know, people standing in a line is called Q. Okay, with the R, RU. So, this letter RU. U R. U R. So, this U stands for YOU. If you write simply U, it means that YOU. You are, you are. Now, with the letter U. CU, already written, I told you. CU, DU is do you, UR is you are. Okay. Now we'll see for V. VG, G stands for good. Already we know that. And V is very, very good. Okay. Now W. W is with. W stands for with. But if you write WD, it is would. Would. Suppose you want to text somebody, would you like to come? So WD stands for would. Then you can write U, just letter U. So WD, U, would you. Right? Okay, now letter Y. 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 WHY. Y. Then it also stands for your. Your. U is you. This is you. Simply you. Suppose you wanted to say your, you are. Why only? Suppose you write you are, it becomes you and are. Two different words. You are. Now you write Y, it becomes you are. You are friendly. Your friend. Your mother. How is your mother? You wanted to ask that. You are Y. Okay? That's it. So now we will have the abbreviation with different letters put together. Okay? Abbreviations. We will see that. Let's continue. Okay, now we have learned using numbers and letters to get abbreviations. Okay, now we are going to see maybe group of letters to make a word abbreviation. Okay, right, now see POSS. Now there are 4 letters here. With these 4 letters, one word is possible, that is POSS is, it stands for possible. Now PPL, people. FYI, this is a very very useful one. FYI, you must have used it while typing your emails, things like that. FYI, that is for your information, for your information. Okay, SRI. It is so simple, most of you would have used it in your messages. SRI stands for sorry, sorry. Then TKS, thanks, thanks. SPK, why don't you SPK? Why don't you speak to me? Okay. So SPK, speak. SPK stands for speak. Now SFAIK, SFAIK, that stands for so far as I know. So far as I know, I don't think there is any confusion. Okay. So far as I know. Same way, AFAIK, as far as I know. As far as I know. These letters stand for as far as I know. Next, INFORM, IMO. IMO. In my opinion, this problem can be solved like this. Okay, in my opinion, IMO. Now, IMHO, that stands for in my humble opinion. Suppose you wanted to, come down a little, you don't want to be very aggressive, then you say in my humble opinion. Please take it, please don't mistake me. In my humble opinion, what you are saying is not correct. Okay. Now, XXX, suppose you wanted to send, there are children and you wanted to send them kisses, and XXX stands for kisses, XXX. And this MUIAH also stands for kisses. Usually celebrities, they'll say Mua. This is what? MUIAH. The flying kisses, what the celebrities usually send it to their fans, is called MUIAH. This is also usually celebrities. And the last one, what we are going to learn is ZZZ. This also you must have used it in your messages. That means sleeping. So don't disturb me. I am ZZZ. That means I am sleeping. So students, I think you must have learned so many abbreviations today, using numbers, using letters, and using group of letters to form messages and to form words for your messages. What is the use of these abbreviations? You can type your messages faster, and also you can save your energy. You need not type the whole word. Instead, you can put it in a abbreviated form. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. So you can just go through, and especially during this lockdown time, you are only spending your time by chatting with your friends. So that's what I decided to make this video for you. Okay, all the best.